to AamirzTwoCents. In this video, we are going to talk about like how many days normally it take you to get your passport and visa back once you are approved for F1 visa. Most of the time, it should be done in a 1 week. That's what I have seen from most of the scenarios. But in some cases, in my own case, my F1 visa that got approved, the visa officer said it's approved, but it took 2 months. So they were doing some background check and a lot of other things, administrative bag status. I don't know what exactly to do in administrative phase, but it took them almost 2 months. So let's say my classes was starting on 27th August and got my passport with visa on 26th. So then I had to buy a really expensive flight. So it was like I spoke with my school and sent them email like, hey, I'm gonna be 1 day late, and I got my ticket done, and then I was on the flight in the evening. I got my passport and visa. So okay, that works. So it took me 2 months. One of the example I can tell you, other students, I have friends and my juniors from my college, they were in Germany. So one was in Finland, one was Germany. For the German guy, he got his passport with visa right away, like in the next day. And for the Finland guy, it took him like 4 months to get his F1 visa approved. Even the guy was doing his master, he was done masters from Finland, he was doing PhD from the Finland. So it took them almost 4 months to approve his visa. They approved right away. They said that okay, they are doing some administrator phase or background check and all that. So it took him almost 4 months. And meanwhile, he called them and said, okay, can you give me my passport? I need to travel or whatever. So they gave him passport, and they kept working. And once they said, okay, we are ready to give you a visa. So they called him, and then he sent his passport back to the embassy, and they stamped the visa on top of it and give him. But so it depends. It totally depends which country you are from. If there is a background check has to be done, some administrator phase has to be taken care and all that. So some of the cases take long time, but mostly it will be for my wife, one of my friend, it will be done like in less than a week. So 4 to 5 days or whatever is pretty much the time. But if you go in a background check and other things pop up, then it might take a longer time. So don't worry too much, just go ahead and apply, and I wish you guys all the best, and I will see you guys in the next video.